Alright, so Ma'am Juby, no? We will introduce the setup that we have right now with CF Moto 650. So this is a brand new bike from CF Moto Cagayan de Oro and 1 day old, no? So this was released from the casa yesterday afternoon, and then early in the morning the owner, si Mr. Ramos, no, brought the bike to our shop para masetapan ng mini driving lights and loud horn accessories. So ito na ngayon yung result. So this is our top of the line MDL. Ito yung Zenlo M5 Plus. So tingnan nyo yung napakabagay po sa mga big bike like this one. Yung mga higher CC na bike kasi malaki yung katawan. So syempre kailangan na malaki din yung MDL. So check natin. Ngayon si Sir Ken binabalance na yung buga ng ilaw para sa comfortability ng ating motorcycle owner na si Mr. Ramos. Ayan. Ma'am Joby, dito ka sana. Tingnan natin yung buga ng ilaw. Ayan. So ngayon, para makulimlim pa, no? So it's not totally dark. Meron ding mga street lights na naka-on na. However, klarong-klaro po yung buga ng ilaw ng Zenlo M5 Plus. This is a 100 watts na ilaw, no? So this is yung low. Yan. And then yung high niya ay white and yellow. Yun. So imagine niyo lang kapag gabi, no? Sa mga dark areas, sa mga main highways natin, kasi may mga highways tayo na walang street lights, you are safe sa inyong mga biyahe. So this bike will be used for a travel here from Cagayan de Oro to Zamboanga. I think twice a month yung travel ni Mr. Ramos from Zamboanga. Yung unang bike ni Sir Ramos ay Aerox na napasit up din dito, tapos he decided to upgrade, no? So binenta niya yung Aerox, tapos ito yung pinalit niya, no? Para sa convenience na malayo yung travel, tapos talagang convenience din sa kanya. At syempre yung ilaw for additional safety sa kanya, then he decided to install it with our top of the line MDL mini driving light na Zenlo M5 Plus. So for reference sa lahat ng mga big bike owners, kahit na NMAX or ADV, this one is also fitting, no, for your bike, no? Kasi regardless kung anong klaseng bike na pwede nating installan, as long as there's a bracket, as long as there's a crash guard, we can install this particular accessory, no? So sa mga naghahanap ng quality na ilaw, no, just visit RDM and we will show you how you will benefit from the quality of our lights, and most importantly yung quality installation natin, no? So yan, a brand new unit from CF Moto. Shout out sa CF Moto Cagayan de Oro, and syempre sa mga mayari ng mga bike na ito. We have already nagawa natin yung NK400, no, dito. So ito yung model na CF Moto 650 MT, and dito sa RDM. So sa lahat ng mga CF Moto owners, if you want to have confidence in your bike with regard to the lights and horn accessories, just visit RDM and kami nang bahala sa mga bike. Alright? Be bright, be safe. Beauty na mo. Balik di. You know? Oh! You know? Grabe! So congratulations to Mr. Alvar Ramos. Your bike is ready for release, no? And naghihintay po kami dito sa RDM, and enjoy po, Sir Ramos, sa inyong paglalakbay with your brand new CF Moto 650 MT. Alright, again, we from RDM, ayan, kaway-kaway yung mga technician natin, si Ken, si Gerald, ang on duty today, and syempre si Daddy Jong TV, and behind the camera, si Ma'am Juby, Be bright, be safe, everyone.